Mountain of Roses Surfao. So this is Junjun Andrade from BSIT 1B. So this is my video tutorial for the F and L statement. So let's begin. First, we put the preprocessor directive. So she include I forgot it's caps lock. Include IO stream, and then using namespace std dot std semicolon okay and main close and open parenthesis. Okay. So let's put it the curly bracket. So this is the main function. This is the place where we put our codes. Let's continue. So let's put the variable in space age. So I select age, and let's don't forget the semicolon. Okay, next let's say std dot cout this down space double quote let's say how old is me. So let's don't forget the semicolon, and then let's put the cn std caps lock. It's std dot c and greater than, let's put it age semicolon. Okay, then space. So let's put it the F statement. So this is the F statement. Let's say F is parenthesis we put the number of the age. So let's say age is equality to 34. Then let's put the curly bracket. Okay. So let's put the cout for this function. Okay. std dot cout is please down space double quote let's see, you are correct. your wrong spelling, your correct. Then let's not forget the semicolon, because the C++ programming language is very strict. If you forget the semicolon, it could be error. Okay. It could be an error, sorry. So let's try. Let's put it here. Then wait. Let's try to compile. Wait a minute. I shall check it before we compile it, so that there's no error. Let's try to compile. Okay, as you can see, sir, there is no error. So let's try to execute the if statement. Run. So how old is me? So our variable number is 34, so let's type 34, then enter. So the C out of that is correct, so this is the correct answer. So it's appear the correct, so which is the C out of the else statement. So let's continue to the else statement. Okay. Else statement. Okay, let's just say else curly bracket let's say steady that C out is greater than space double quote. Let's see, you're wrong. You're so let's not forget the semicolon, and then let's put the return turn to 0. Don't forget the bracket. Let's try to compile. If there is an error, okay, std.dat. No, that's why it's wrong, because it's TC. Let's try again. Let's compile. So as you can see, there's no error, so let's try to execute and run. So the is statement, let's say how old is me, so let's say is 30, then enter. So the output is wrong, so this is the else statement. And thank you.